All right, folks. Welcome back to another riveting episode where we dive deep into the fascinating world of investing. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the future market. Yep, you heard that right. The Mercado Futuro. It's exciting times out there because more people are dipping their toes into the world of variable income investments. Just take a look at the data from the B3. There's been solid growth in active accounts, which really shows this increasing interest. It's almost as if everyone suddenly caught the investing bug. Have you noticed that?
Yeah, I totally have. It's like all my friends are suddenly talking about stocks and... Wait, what is the B3 again? Is that like the cool kids? Exchange or something? Laughs.
Ha! You're spot on. The B3 is Brazil's main stock exchange. Think of it as a bustling marketplace where investors come together to buy and sell shares and other financial instruments. The recent drop in the Selic rate has also encouraged many folks to explore new investment options, particularly in the stock market and futures. It's like the interest rates gave everyone a green light to venture out and explore new opportunities.
So it's kind of like when you tell your friends that the new pizza place in town has a grand opening and everyone rushes there? But instead of pizza, it's stocks? Laughs.
Exactly. A grand opening, but for exciting opportunities. Now, let's dive into how the future market works. It's a thrilling environment where standardized contracts for buying and selling derivatives of commodities, indices, interest rates, and currencies are traded, all with an expiration date in the future. Imagine this. You're agreeing to buy a pizza next week at today's price. You can profit whether the pizza prices rise or fall.
Whoa, that's mind-blowing. If I think the price of pizza will go up next week, I could sign that pizza contract, and if I'm right, I save money. But if I'm wrong, I totally lose out? Sounds risky.
Yes, you nailed it. Investors use futures contracts to either earn profits or hedge against price fluctuations. It's a game of strategy. You might encounter contracts like Índice Futuro, Dollar Futuro, and even commodities. Back in 2001, we saw the introduction of mini-contracts, these smaller contracts that open the doors for small investors. It's like offering half slices of that delicious pizza.
Oh wow, half slices? That's genius. So anyone could join the party. But if it's so accessible, what are the risks? Because with, unlimited pizza, surely you're gonna get some folks overdoing it, right? Laughs.
Spot on. With great access comes great responsibility. Before diving into the futures market, it's crucial to assess your risk profile. Investing here can get wild, so you need to be bold. Main risks include price fluctuations, margin variability, and operational costs that could munch away at your profits, kind of like junk food wreaking havoc on your health if you snack too much.
Oh man, that's so relatable. So, investing is like a giant buffet. Delicious, but dangerous if you don't manage your plate well?
Exactly. And education is key. The market moves fast, and you want to stay informed about changes. Now, let's touch on some advantages of the futures market. It provides incredible diversification and flexibility. You can make profits whether the market rises or falls, just like betting on a game where you're cheering for both teams to score.
Wow, that sounds exhilarating. But what about that margin of guarantee? I've heard folks chatting about that. What's the deal with it? Laughs.
The margin of guarantee is an investor's best friend. It enables smaller investors, like you and me, to participate in the future market without having to shell out the entire contract value up front. It's like saying, hey, here's a little slice of pie to start with, and you can keep adding to your plate as you grow.
Oh, I love that. So I can just start collecting pizza slices without breaking the bank? But, how do I even start?
Great question. To break into the futures market, your first step is to open an account with an investment bank. For instance, Modalmize provides benefits like reduced margins for multiple contracts and commission-free trading on their platform. Think of it as discovering a pizza place with amazing deals on your favorite flavors.
A commission-free pizza? Where do I sign? Okay, this looks super fun and potentially lucrative, but I get it. It's like a high-speed roller coaster. You could scream all the way to the bank. Or, crash land if you're not careful. Laughs.
Exactly. The futures market is a thrilling ride, but you've got to be aware of the potential highs and lows. It's an extraordinary chance to make serious returns if you approach it with knowledge and preparation.
Can't wait to dive in. Thanks for breaking all this down. It's been an absolute joy.